For this question, it's perhaps easier to see it as one great big fraction. If we do the division on the left-hand side, we get 0.5. And if we do the division on the right-hand side, we have to subtract the indices. This gives us 0.5 times 10 to the power minus 3. This is not yet in standard form. Also acceptable for the first mark is 0.0005. Both of those will get you 1 mark. However, if we want it in standard form, we can multiply the left part, the 0.5 by 10, provided we divide the 10 to the minus 3 by 10. And to do that, we reduce the power by 1, making it 5 times 10 to the minus 3. That will give you both marks, but either of the two answers above will give you 1 mark only.